This is where the main entry of the campus
Yeah.
is. We are here at Brunel University, London. Thanks so much, Rishabh, for giving us time and giving us a tour of your house and showing us your department and showing us the overall university. It's very encouraging to hear what you said. And what I loved was that you did a lot of thorough research before making the choice of picking your university.
पहले तो आपको आपके फाइनेंसेस मैनेज करना सिखा रहे हैं वो लोग.
Right.
नॉट ऑल पीपल आर गुड इन मैथ्स, सो मैथ्स का बेसिक्स जो है उनको क्लियर कराने के लिए वर्कशॉप.
We want to just understand, how students can be successful. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पर तुम्हारे एक stress engineer at Alpine Formula One team.
Yes, sir.
Just crossing into this campus now. This is where all the, departments are. There's a lecture going on over here, I think, right now.
So there is one more good news. So now Brunel University is a part of University of London Federation.
Our team helped you get to Brunel University. Anything you feel that our team could have done better?
If you are planning to study in the UK, watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
You can put that in the bag only. That's what.
Yeah.
In these houses also are students staying, more students stay here or?
No, ज़्यादातर families है.
ज़्यादातर families हैं.
हाँ. बाकी student और working professionals है.
बट ये तो बहुत यूनिवर्सिटी के पास है तो बढ़िया ही है.
बहुत पास में ये, यहाँ से बस निकलते थे.
एंड तेरा डिपार्टमेंट भी यहाँ से पास नहीं पड़ता है?
हाँ.
एक तो यहाँ पर मतलब चिड़िया की भी आवाज आती है.
आती है. हाँ.
तो ना शांति इतनी है बैकग्राउंड में.
और पर्टिकुलरली ये एरिया तो जो ग्रेटर लंदन अक्सब्रिज साइड है, यहाँ काफी शांत रहता है, लोग ज्यादा भीड़ नहीं है.
हाँ, देखो तो गाड़ियों का शौक है. यू शुड गेट अ ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस.
या आई विल.
इट्स आल्सो गुड फन टू.
हम लोग तो प्लान भी कर रहे थे, पता है, जैसे अगर सबका पार्ट टाइम लग गया, वी विल परचेज अ कार. 4-5 लोग सब मिलके
एक कार परचेज
कर लेंगे. ये देखो, आई वाज टेलिंग यू ना, सो दिस इज द इंडियन स्टोर.
बर्गर मैक्स के बैठ जाओ.
बर्गर मैक्स के साइड में. लीवे. सो देयर इज दिस पंजाबी अंकल. बढ़िया है वो.
लेट्स गो. That's the Indian store that. Come quickly.
Yeah. So that's the Indian store I was talking about.
So it's
हर चीज
यहाँ पर तुम्हारे पास अपना दाल चावल
सब है. हल्दीराम के पराठे, फ्रोजन सब है.
सही. यहाँ पे कबाब हाउस. यू आर वेजिटेरियन ना? अभी तो 2 हफ्ते हुए हैं यहाँ पर. अगर बाल तो नहीं कटाए होंगे?
नहीं कटाए. It's quite expensive. 15 pound for a cut. 15 or 17 pound for a cut.
एक अपने दोस्त ने बड़ा सही तरीका बताया. उसने कहा यहाँ पर बार्बरी स्कूल्स हैं.
हाँ.
तो he said कि most of the Barbary schools they have their websites and you can block free haircut times there. And वहाँ जो बच्चे सीख रहे होते हैं, they will give you a haircut. तो वो तुम्हारे पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं.
That's nice. I will try. एक बार तो ट्राई करके देख सकते हैं.
नहीं तो मैनचेस्टर में वो लोग यही कर रहे थे. So they have all these hacks to save money.
Yeah, we have to cross it from here. So इतना पास में है यूनिवर्सिटी का एंट्रेंस. Yeah, this is university. तो यहाँ से ये सब यूनिवर्सिटी अकोमोडेशन.
Oh, okay. मतलब it is practically across the road only. मुझे भी लगता है यार, मेरा ऑफिस मेरे घर से काफी दूर है. तो मुझे लगता है कि यार अगर इतना पास में अगर ऑफिस होना है यार, तो कितना मजा आ जाए. So this is the student accommodation area of Brunel University. यहाँ पर दोनों साइड में student accommodations हैं. And यहाँ पर student accommodation का कितना खर्चा रहता है?
For en-suite room, I think it's 840
per month, including bills.
Including bills, yeah. But laundry is separate.
Yeah.
So there is, I think, 3 pound for washing and 1.6 pound for drying.
तो हाँ, मतलब ठीक है, वो थोड़ा बहुत और ऊपर है, बट हाँ मतलब 840 पाउंड्स के आसपास पड़ता है. बट हाँ, देन यू आर लिविंग ऑन कैंपस बेसिकली, तो वो थोड़ा सा एडवांटेज है. बट हाँ, तेरा घर तो मतलब चीपर है एंड प्रैक्टिकली वहीं पर ही है.
हाँ, वहीं पे ही है. तो
But today is Monday, so students are in class और like काफी कम बच्चे दिख रहे हैं यहाँ.
हाँ, यहाँ ऐसा ही रहता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. वहाँ दिखेंगे आपको जो मेन जो एरिया है,
हाँ.
लेक्चर सेंटर है और वो है, वहाँ आपको काफी बच्चे दिखेंगे.
ये पूरा यहाँ पर रेजिडेंशियल है.
ये पूरा रेजिडेंशियल है,
हाँ.
सब अकोमोडेशन सारी बिल्डिंग. तो बेसिकली दिस इज इज़मबार्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स.
ओके.
हाँ, उसमें ये अराउंड 10 to 12 बिल्डिंग्स है.
तो इंडियन स्टूडेंट प्रेफर करते हैं ऑन कैंपस रहना?
हाँ, काफी. मेरे जो ब्रांच में एक है वो, so, जो यू कैन सी द थर्ड विंडो,
Yeah.
द लास्ट वन,
हाँ.
उसमें ही रहता है मेरा दोस्त.
ओके.
There are lot of Indians, lot of Pakistanis.
पाकिस्तानी, lot of Bangladeshis.
So the Indian society is hosting India versus Pakistan match. So basically there is a team from our side, India, and there is team from Pakistan. Students from Pakistan.
वही होता है यार, वो सब वैसे बैकग्राउंड में सब नॉइज चलता रहता है, बट आप किसी भी देश में जाओगे तो इंडियंस एंड पाकिस्तानीज आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स.
हाँ हाँ.
तो ये जितने भी हैं ये सब स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशंस हैं.
ये सब student accommodation. So there are plenty of student accommodation, especially in Brunel. Brunel में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब इनफैक्ट अगर if you want, आपने काफ़ी लेट भी अप्लाई किया.
हाँ.
मेरे पास अभी 4 दिन पहले मेल आया कि if you want accommodation, we
still have
it.
ये भी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है यार, मतलब फिर तो ब्रुनेल यूनिवर्सिटी की, बिकॉज यूजुअली कैंपस अकोमोडेशन ओवरऑल चीपर पड़ जाती है,
ओवरऑल चीप.
बिकॉज ट्रैवल वगैरह बहुत सिग्निफिकेंटली बच जाता है, एंड देन कोऑर्डिनेशन एफर्ट भी काफी कम हो जाता है.
Yes.
इन योर केस साइट डिफरेंट है कि तेरा घर पास ही है, बट अगर थोड़ा दूर होता तो उसमें आने जाने में इतना टाइम लग जाता और टाइम भी खराब होता.
और स्पेशली इन विंटर्स ट्रैवलिंग सो हार्ड है.
हाँ, मतलब आई थिंक वो अप्रिशिएट करना बड़ा मुश्किल है अभी. मतलब भाई जब इतनी ठंड होगी एंड 1 घंटा ट्रैवल करके आना होगा अभी इतनी में, मतलब बिकॉज सो विंडी इट इज फीलिंग कोल्ड. तो आई थिंक कैंपस अकोमोडेशन अगर यहाँ पर काफी अवेलेबल है तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. दैट्स अ बिग प्लस फॉर ब्रुनेल. ओपन में टेबल टेनिस का एक टेबल लगा हुआ है. दिस इज वेयर स्टूडेंट्स कैन हैंग आउट.
दिस इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर. तो जो आपके सारे पार्सल्स आते हैं वो यहाँ आते हैं अकोमोडेशन के. सो यू हैव टू कलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम हियर.
Right, nice.
So
that was the student.
that is the
student union.
student union of Brunel students. So they have their meeting area.
This is where the campus president would be
Yeah, you can
sitting,
find him
and they have
anywhere.
their office and all.
Yeah, yeah.
And also there's a small store here, and आपके पास Starbucks की कॉफी भी है वहाँ पे.
Coffee भी.
बढ़िया. Cool. Let's go. Let's see where you study. What else is there on the campus to see? But यहाँ पर जो Indian students हैं, are they specifically from one particular area in India, or they are from all over?
They are basically from all over,
Yeah.
but most of them are from Maharashtra and South.
Because I've also started noticed that कुछ universities में कुछ जगह के बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा हैं.
Like in Coventry, I think Punjabi
पंजाब से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
students हैं.
हाँ. In 2 days we are going to Coventry to have an official tour there to understand a bit more about them, क्योंकि काफी mixed reviews मिलते हैं. So we want to just understand how students can be successful. तो तुम्हारा गरबा का इवेंट कहाँ हुआ था? You were telling
I
me.
will show you.
हाँ.
So there is an area,
हाँ.
open area. वहाँ सारे events होते हैं ज़्यादातर.
हाँ.
आगे है वो.
This is the meeting house. What is this about?
I don't know it. मैंने अभी भी मुझे भी explore
तुम भी थोड़ा
करना है.
एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है साथ साथ. But yeah, I think we are still in the residential part, right?
हाँ, until here.
Until here. Just now we are moving into the faculty.
Faculty.
area. This is a huge campus accommodation, yeah.
So basically it's around 0.7 or 0.8 miles from that end
To the other.
other end.
Okay.
Now you can see students. अब थोड़ा भीड़ दिखेगी.
अब घर से अब कॉलेज में घुसे.
कॉलेज में घुसे.
यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पर तुम्हारे एक स्ट्रेस इंजीनियर एट अल्पाइन Formula 1 team.
Yes, exactly.
So hopefully we'll see you also up
Hopefully.
as
Fingers
a
crossed.
star alumni.
So you can find bus from there. There is bus stop.
Okay.
So
Just crossing into this campus now. This is where all the departments are. So far we were in the residential area of the campus. So what do you like most about your campus?
the greenery and the space is so big.
Yeah, it gives you a lot of place to be.
Place to be.
And how are your labs and the facilities that are available to you?
So good. This is my department.
College of Engineering, Design and Physical
Physical
Sciences.
Sciences.
The Michael
So,
Sterling building.
yeah, some of my classes are held here,
Okay.
and some of them are held in a lecture center that is straight.
That's further down.
So,
You can see some of your professors.
so it's a huge building.
Yeah.
We
Does it also have the laboratories here only?
Yeah.
The labs are
that's
here.
on the back side.
Okay. So you were telling us that this is the library. You have access to the library 24 hours?
Yeah.
That's and one thing I found here in UK is very different from India. बच्चे एक तो लाइब्रेरी जाते हैं और वो 24 hours इसलिए available भी है. The Bannerman Center, that's the library.
Library.
And right behind here we have the place where all the students.
So this is Hamilton Center.
Hamilton
so
Center.
it's recreational area basically.
Okay.
So you can eat, play table tennis, and there is on upstairs there is pool. There is also one club inside there. So we have club inside the university campus only.
Nice.
And this
And
is
the cafes are also
yeah,
here.
cafes are also there, and this is cost cutter. So basically, you can buy your groceries, or you can get something to eat from here.
Look, we have a nice open bakery.
Open bakery. Yeah. So straight down there is student center.
Okay.
So
On that side?
on that side, straight.
Straight, okay.
So you can get all the help you need, like your registration, your IT support, and anything regarding your academics. You can get help from there.
And this is your lecture center.
Yeah, this is my lecture center. We can go here. There is more area to university area down
Right.
the street.
So is Brunel University known for its engineering programs?
Yeah. So basically, we have CAPF. It's Advanced Powertrain and Fuel Lab. It is one of the greatest lab in UK. So the research department really good.
Really
here.
good here.
So this is the lecture center, Quad South,
And that is the Quad North.
Quad North.
That is the department for chemical engineering. It says psychology and medical
medicine.
school. Medicine
Yeah.
school. So, and is this the area where they have events?
Yeah. We have our Navratri event inside there.
Inside that one.
Yeah.
So that's where you had the Navratri event. Did you participate?
Yeah.
Good. I think that's sometimes it's as
Back in
Indians
India,
also.
every year I
Oh, okay.
went to play Garba.
Nice.
So I was missing it in the
Yeah.
starting, but when I got to know there is Garba in the university,
Pretty.
I was so happy.
Nice. So should we go in the lecture center?
Yeah, we can visit it, but we can only visit the ground area.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Do you have many classes online or
No, all of them are
in-person classes?
in-person classes only. So yeah, there
Here
is place आप बैठ के अपना काम कर सकते हो यहाँ. और both side there are rooms, lecture halls, seminar halls, or classrooms. Both types of rooms are there.
Rooms are there.
Uh,
And you also have rooms where you can do like group study if you're doing assignments.
Yeah.
So that they are here or you go to the library?
No, we go to the library, or we can go to our specific departments.
Specific departments also. And these are the lecture halls down.
Yeah. Same are on that side, and we have 3 floors.
Maybe peek in from here. There's a lecture going on over
Yeah.
here, I think, right now.
Yeah. Apart from the course, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कराते हैं. अगर आपको आर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप आर्ट्स की क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. देयर आर वर्कशॉप. सो बेसिकली देयर इज अ सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर स्टूडेंट यूनियन. इट्स £50 ईयरली.
£50 per year. वो तो कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
उसमें यू कैन ज्वाइन विच एवर क्लब यू वांट टू.
Okay.
सो स्पोर्ट्स में हर चीज़ है, बॉक्सिंग, टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, MMA और जो भी स्पोर्ट्स है, क्रिकेट,
Cricket.
फुटबॉल, सब है।
क्रिकेट का तो सारा इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं।
दे आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मैनी वर्कशॉप। पहले तो आपको आपके फाइनेंसेस मैनेज करना सिखा रहे हैं वो लोग।
राइट।
नॉट ऑल पीपल आर गुड इन
हाँ।
मैथ्स, सो मैथ्स का बेसिक्स
Basic
जो है
है।
उनको क्लियर कराने के लिए वर्कशॉप्स है।
Okay.
तो ऐसे अदर देन योर कोर्स एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर जो चीज़ें हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छा है।
हर यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर फैसिलिटीज बहुत हैं,
बहुत
रिसोर्सेज बहुत हैं, बट आप घोड़े को पानी तक ले आ सकते हो, पीना तो सही
पीना
पड़ेगा।
तो
तो
सही
भाई
पड़ेगा।
तो आई थिंक मेहनत करने का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं
नहीं
है।
है।
अगर आपको एनी वांट टू इम्प्रूव ऑन एनी ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, देन यू एक्चुअली रियली हैव टू पुट इन दैट एफर्ट, जो कई बार लगता है कि कई बार मिसिंग लगा मुझे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर।
So there is one more good news. So now Brunel University is a part of University of London Federation.
Right.
So we are among the 17 universities which are part of
The University of London Federation. Right.
So there are some perks that we have now access of Senate Library
Okay.
in Central London, and there are many more things which have.
So it
to
gives
come
you
in.
access to more
Yeah.
people, you know, better recognition, and all of this is happening because you guys are doing well. So, yeah. But I find, matlab, every university that we have visited is like so beautiful, and everyone has its own advantages, disadvantages, you know, certain uniqueness that's there. I know our team helped you get to Brunel University. What were some of the highlights for your work with Admit Card?
My consultant, basically Joel, was so helpful.
Yeah.
I think he left Admit Card after
Yes.
some time, but after that also he helped me so much. He told me that don't worry, I will handle your profile. He told me that Nishant is as good as I am.
Right.
But yeah, if you need anything, you can call me. I will tell Nishant.
He's going for pursuing another career.
Another career, yeah, he
So-
told me.
So he's a good guy, and we were also supportive of him. You know,
Yes.
looking at everyone's
So-
journey has to be good.
Yeah.
Anything you feel that our team could have done better?
Yeah, I think everything was good.
Everything.
So हाँ, सब
Nice.
ठीक था,
सब ठीक
ऐसा
था।
ऐसा
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं था.
And how did you get to know about Admit Card?
I get to know through my friend.
Through your friend.
हाँ, also applied through Admit Card.
Admit Card.
Yeah.
What you have here on campus is like a great opportunity for anyone. Thanks for giving us the tour of entire campus and letting us experience it through your eyes. And otherwise, हम खुद आते तो we would not have understood a lot of things, what's happening and where. Especially भाई गरबा night हुई थी,
गरबा
and
night हुई थी.
all of that flavor we would have missed. I think a very nice place to innovate. You are relaxed, calm,
Yeah.
with best technological facilities available to you. Like you were mentioning that the power, the high power department, which is the laboratory, which is there.
Yeah, advanced powertrain and
The
fuel.
advanced powertrain and fuel laboratory. So I think all these things make it a great place for somebody in a field of mechanical engineering or any automobile engineering or like in your case
Yeah.
motorsports engineering. I think it makes it all a great
place to learn.
So thanks for being with us and sharing your story. And happy to help you in any way. You can feel free to reach out to me anytime you need something. So here is a small note. If you can just write a note for the team, whoever you believe we should give it to. So
Okay.
you can write their name and any message that you may want to.
Send it to all the team
Yeah. Okay.
at Admit Card who helped me.
Yeah.
So
Nice. Great. Thank you so much, Rishabh. We will pass it on to the team, and you can keep this pen is for you. Something to remember us by. Let's go see if we can head to the next spot.
so यहाँ से फिर से accommodation area start हो जाता है.
Okay.
So these are accommodation. This is our gym.
Do you also have like swimming pool and
Yeah, that's on the other side of the road.
Okay.
So there is a separate area, Brunel Sports Center.
Okay. तो ब्रूनेल स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर कैंपस के अलावा एक पूरा एक स्पोर्ट्स
पूरा
सेंटर है.
एक स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर है. वहाँ ट्रैक्स है और वो इतना अच्छा है जैसे लास्ट टाइम जब ओलंपिक्स हेड हुए थे
हाँ.
तो जो ओलंपियंस है वो वहाँ ट्रेन कर रहा
वहाँ
था.
ट्रेन करते थे.
उसेन बोल्ट ने हमारे यहाँ ये जिम में और देयर इज ACS एथलेटिक्स स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर वहाँ ट्रेन किया है. So the
बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट
facilities-
लेवल
Yeah.
मतलब हाँ दैट्स द ब्रुनेल जिम द स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर इट्स ओनली अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इट स्पोर्ट्स पूरा जो स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो अक्रॉस द रोड
अक्रॉस द रोड है. हम लोग बस मेन एंट्रेंस पे हैं. दिस इज द मेन एंट्रेंस फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी.
अभी हम लोग बैक डोर से घुस गए थे
बैक डोर से घुस गए थे.
बट दैट्स गुड बिकॉज़ तेरा डिपार्टमेंट इसी साइड में है
हाँ. तो आप ये शूट कर सकते हो. IAC इंडोर एथलेटिक सेंटर.
तो यहाँ पर दे हैव जूडो दैट्स द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेस
एंड दिस इज मेन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बिल्डिंग.
This is the main administration building and also the Brunel Business School. The business school is also in this building.
Yeah.
So this is the main circle where the main reception for the university is. If you were to come like on a normal day, like walking in yourself, तो यहाँ पर आते हैं.
यहाँ पे आओगे आप.
This is where the main entry of the campus
Yeah.
is, and this is where we are here at Brunel University, London. Thanks so much, Rishabh, for giving us time and giving us a tour of your house and showing us your department and showing us the overall university. It's fantastic. Very encouraging to hear what you said. And what I loved was that you did a lot of thorough research before making the choice of picking your university. So thank you so much for your time and that's it for today. If you liked what you saw and you found it informative, so like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content, and we are continuing our journey in UK, and share it with your friends, whoever is looking to study abroad, because what Rishabh has said is very, very informative and you should follow the same policy. So thank you guys and looking forward to seeing you on the next video.